Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send stars on Facebook Live. So that will include how to get and buy the stars on Facebook Live as well. So this will be the same for the Facebook app for your Android and iOS devices, and also for your laptop computers as well for the website version. So what you're going to do when you're scrolling through Facebook, you're looking at live streams, you're going to want to make sure you actually click fully on the live stream. So as an example for here, click on the screen. So it brings up this type of menu right here. Then you'll see below the comments, next to the comment section here, if you're writing a comment, you'll see the star next to it. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that star. Then I'll say send stars to support the gaming channel there. So you can pick however many stars that you want, and then you can get a custom amount, but also to actually buy them, all you have to do is just click buy on the top of the screen there. You can buy different types of amounts of them there, so you can get the stars like this. And then when you send them, you can also add a comment with the amount of stars that you've sent as well. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Facebook app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.